fawr Imran, Shwmai pawb. Dwi'n Steve Dimmick, Cyd Sylfaenydd gyda Doopoll. Hi everyone, I'm Steve Dimmick, co-founder at Doopoll, and today I'm going to talk to you about how we're helping TfW transform their Talk to Us service. But first of all, let's go back to 2015. That's when we founded Doopoll, after creating an MVP in 4.5 days. Our mantra as we launched this polling app was to make every voice heard. Now it's 2020. And whilst our team hasn't changed much, we've added James in the middle and my hair's got a lot greyer. Today, Doopoll really is making every voice heard. Our real-time multilingual engagement platform was used for the Great Big Lockdown survey recently to gather tens of millions of opinions from over 400,000 people in the UK in just 4.5 days, the same amount of time it took us to build the first MVP. One of the challenges we faced participating in this cohort is that there are so many great people and projects where we could have helped out. However, whilst we genuinely considered trying to create several MVPs, we knew spreading ourselves too thinly would not work. We realized that reducing our options would increase our focus and ensure our success. So we committed to deliver an MVP for taking Talk to Us online. The Greek philosopher Socrates said, "Smart people learn from everything and everyone. Average people from their experiences, and stupid people already have all the answers." Talk to Us is a central service that any member of staff can contact. It allows TfW to learn from everything and everyone, from the challenges staff are facing to what colleagues feel could make TfW a better place. But, and it's a big but, it's an inbox. That's right, Talk to Us is currently an email address, one that TfW staff can send inquiries to and get answers from. So why change? Well, we believe that for something to really improve, first of all, it has to be measured. And that's why there needs to be change and why we've set about moving Talk to Us from an email solution to online, where it can be effectively measured and then improved. We've confirmed that change is necessary, but whilst change is actually easy, improvement is far more difficult. To be clear, this won't be a like-for-like replacement. By measuring, we'll be able to encourage more inquiries and ensure speedier response times, create template responses to regular inquiries, and ensure there's less chance of mistakes being made. As the saying goes, don't tell people your plans, show them your results. What you're about to see is a fully functional, ready-to-go piece of software. I'm genuinely blown away that our team, led by James, who's manning the YouTube chat today, has built in the time they have. Let's go check it out. So this is Talk to Us. I'm Steve Dimmick. Now I work for TfW Rail and I'm on my way into work. I'm going to make an inquiry. I get on my phone, I go to tfwrail.wales/talk to us. And my inquiry today, it's not that important, it's a low one. I work within the train operations team. I think my inquiry is for people and engagement, and I want to know how many days leave do I have remaining? I can add an image if I need, so this could be good if you were taking a photo of an issue on a train or a platform, but obviously for this inquiry I don't need to. I'm then able to submit that request and I pop in my details. And away we go. Straight away I get a response saying, diolch o galon, Steve, thanks very much. And what you'll notice here as well is that I'm also given an inference of the amount of time I'm likely to have to wait. This is based on the average of all the completed surveys over the last few weeks. We also have some frequently asked questions here, as well as the ability to add another inquiry. This data all then gets put forward through to the dashboard. And this is where internal comms are going to love what we've created. Here we're able to choose the amount of queries we'd like to consider, the priorities that they are, and as we'll see, this platform will, the table will update, only showing critical, for instance, here. And we can choose from teams, and there's teams that they've been assigned to. As well, we have a quick roundup of the total queries response time and completed queries. So let's jump into one. Here's one that we created earlier. And this is one that was submitted earlier, sent through from Steve at TfW Rail Wales. assigned to the executive team, how many people are on the board. Now, if I'm in internal comms, I can say, actually, this is more of a question for people in engagement. And over here, we're now able to collaborate on a response. And people could join and edit this copy to their heart's content. We also then allow an authorizer to authorize a finalized report response. All of the updates that happen, so for instance, if I move this into progress, are included in the activity chart at the bottom. And I'm also able to add notes as I go. Emailed 8. Okay, finally then, we're able to go across to the report section. So this is something that there's none of currently. This will allow internal communications and all teams to be able to see the total number of queries, the response time it's taken on average, completed queries, where inquiries are coming from and where they're going to, and obviously manage resource around that. You're also able to highlight the most active user. Maybe that's someone you could reward. So there you go, that's what we've built during the MVP. And just as a good iterating organization does, we're working our way towards perfection. There's loads more we're going to do, including adding login screens, integrating email, and potentially in the future, pushing this out to the public. So that's it from us. We hope you've enjoyed it. Now, please talk to us, be it in YouTube chat or on MS Teams.